Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will change the display of Realme Narzo10a. For that, first we remove the SIM tray and the back cover of this phone. The glue of this display is already removed. Now you can see the back cover of this phone is removed. It has some dust, so we are cleaning the net of speaker, and now we unscrew the motherboard cover. Removing the motherboard cover, and then we disconnect the battery and start the process to remove the battery. We are applying a specific chemical to remove this adhesive tape, which is covering or containing the battery. If we pull this green tape or plastic, the battery will remove easily. And the plastic of this battery section is removed by applying a little bit of chemical. Disconnect the display belt, and I mentioned that earlier the display glue is already not working properly, so original display come out easily, and we are removing the fingerprint sensor. Applying specific chemical and removing this glue which is stick on the frame by the company. The speaker net is cleaned by this brush. This brush have two heads. Now this frame is completely clean and clear. You can see the parts of this phone. Now we are start the process to apply the new display. Here it is new display. Applying glue on the frame. Then attaching the new display on the phone. We are applying the grabber to stick the display on the frame. After 10 minutes, we remove the rubber and connect the display belt connector and place the battery on this section, and then connect the fingerprint sensor and connect the battery, then switch on the phone. Apply special tape on the plastic covering the battery. Now we are attaching the motherboard cover with the screw. Now our phone is almost complete. We are checking the display. Display is working perfectly. Now the final process, we attach the phone back cover and the SIM tray. So friends, please like this video and share with your friends, and please subscribe this channel to watch this type of videos. Thank you so much.